In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Miro board private. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock down a board so only you or only the people you invite can access it. First, sign into your Miro account and open the board you want to secure. Make sure you're in the correct team or space if you use multiple workspaces because sharing settings are tied to where the board lives. Now look to the top right of your board and click the Share button. This opens Miro's sharing panel where all access is managed. Think of this panel as the control center for who can view, comment on, or edit your board. Start by checking the list of collaborators. Your goal is to ensure that only your name appears here if you want the board fully private to you. If you see other people listed, change their permission to no access or remove them from the board. Next, review broader access scopes. Find and disable access for your team, company, and space or project. Set each of these to no access or only invited, depending on the options you see. This prevents everyone in those groups from seeing the board by default. Then, look for the public link section. If there's an option like anyone with the link, turn it off. Removing the public link is critical. Even if you don't share it, leaving it enabled can allow unintended access. When you've removed team, company, space, and public link access, you should see only your name under collaborators, which indicates the board is effectively private. If you're on a paid plan, you may see a make board private option. Using this is the fastest path. It automatically disables link sharing and restricts the board to invited people only. If you don't see this option, don't worry. The manual steps you just followed achieve the same result where your plan allows. Before you close the panel, double check that it indicates only invited people can access and confirm there are no active public links. If you need to share later, invite specific people directly and choose the right role, viewer, commenter, or editor, while keeping the public link turned off. That's it. Open your board, click share, remove team, company, space, and public link access, and confirm only your name remains. On paid plans, use Make Board Private for a one-click shortcut. This keeps your work safe, focused, and visible only to the people you choose.